Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign up for a IMO account. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is go ahead into your Play Store on your mobile device and finally go ahead and search for IMO application right over here, as you can see. And then simply tap on install, which is going to be exactly where the open button is located right over here, as you can see. Once you have installed, go ahead and open it. And finally, once you have opened it, you want to go ahead and enter your phone number right over here and tap on the tick icon and then tap on OK. And what is going to happen is code is going to be sent as a SMS onto your mobile device, as you can see, and you can simply go ahead and enter it. For me, it's going to be 3509. And once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead and enter your full name and then click on done, and an account will be created, as you can see. And you simply want to tap on done and allow your contacts, and then not now if you don't want to invite any friends into here, but you can go ahead and invite as well. Yeah, that is about it in order to sign up into IMO. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.